Thank you very much for joining me for this episode of Restaurant at Home. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to go over these little guys, avocados. Going to talk about how important they are and how I've kind of fallen in love with this fruit. So let's talk about why I love these things. It's not new news. This is pretty old news, but what we found out is that avocados are a good source of the good fats, not not this fat, but they're good. They're a good source of monosaturated fats, which is what we're told is the good fats. They help lower cholesterol. They lower your bad cholesterol and raise your good cholesterol. Avocados are also rich in nutrients like vitamin B, vitamin E, vitamin K, copper, potassium, rich in folate, and something called pantothenic acid is something that our bodies need, and we need to get it naturally from the foods that we consume. Avocados can also help with diabetes. They can help level out your blood sugar levels so that you don't get a spike going one way or the other. So the fact that avocados are rich in vitamin K and folate and copper helps increase your bone strength, your bone density, which is also something that you need to take care of when you get a little bit older. And one of the biggest benefits, or the thing that's big for me, is that it's good for your digestion system. Helps move stuff along out and down there. Helps keep you regular. Research shows that just one avocado has 13 grams of fiber, which is like 56% of your recommended daily intake of fiber. So when you talk about a powerhouse, you're talking about an avocado. And this is something that you should definitely incorporate into your daily meal. Studies show that people that consume at least one avocado a day in some form or another get to enjoy all of the health benefits that I just explained beforehand and a lot more. So I'm going to do a couple of recipes or a couple of things that you can do with avocado. If you're not too keen on the taste, I can understand that. There are certain different things that you can mix it with. There's certain different ways that you can prepare it. I am just going to go over a couple of basic few just to kind of get you started. I've got tomato, and I used plum tomato. Got cucumber. I am just going, a lot of water on my knife. I'm just going to cut this in half. Cut the end off on the cucumber. And cut that in half. And I've got these beautiful, lovely half moon slices of cucumber. For my own personal taste, I like to cut them in half again. The wonderful thing about a salad is you can fix it up however you like it with whatever toppings you prefer for that day. I'm going to take my Roma tomato or plum tomato, as some people like to call them, and cut the end off here. Cut this into quarters, quarter that, slice that. Also, and I've just got regular classic salad mix. You can use baby spinach, you can use arugula, you can use romaine. It's a salad. You set it up however you want. So I've got my salad. I'm gonna add some extra shredded carrots. I've got roasted almonds. I've got some dried cranberries. Love those. And if you're wondering what I'm using here, it's basically just the bag of cranberries and the bag of sliced almonds. That's all. Got my tomatoes along with my cucumbers. And now we have the star of the show, the avocado. Take your blunt blade, because you don't really need to use a sharp one. And this time when I do the cross, I'm actually going to go along again and then kind of coax them out a little bit. And then that way, when you go to get your avocado out, it'll come out as these pretty little squares. And like I said, this is a salad. You can set it up however you want with whatever toppings that you want. There we go. Nice little beautiful lunch option. Oh, the dressing. So I'm that guy when I do go to a restaurant and I do get a salad, they always ask what kind of dressing, and I say whatever red. Whether it's French, Catalina, Russian dressing, all of that stuff. But we also have this Olive Garden Italian dressing. I think I'm gonna try a little bit of that today. Let's say you just woke up, you want a sensible breakfast, something that's gonna carry you through for a good portion of the day, instead of you eating some crap, and you'll be hungry in like another 2 hours. The fiber content in avocado is amazing, and then the protein from eggs, beneficial also. Give my pan a quick spray down. It's not gonna be long for the egg to get done. Take some water and get that steam going on in there while your egg is finishing up. Then we've got some toast. It's another way that I like to enjoy avocado. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for joining me. That was just a couple of ways that you can incorporate avocado into your daily habits, daily diet, whatever you want to call it. I encourage you, if you have some more recipes or other ways that you like to use avocado, share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Always looking for new things. I love to hear how you guys cook. All right, so where was I? How other people like to use avocado. Great. Also, I have a new project that I'm involved in, or that I've started up. I've started a podcast. It's called the Uplifting Words Podcast. It's actually available on a lot of places that you might already listen to podcasts. So please go check it out. Give me thumbs up or likes or hearts or whatever. Comment, get in on the discussion. That podcast over there is where I do motivational tips and inspiration and uplifting messages, along with the Uplifting Words Facebook page. That's another project that I'm involved in too. So go ahead and get involved in all the things that I'm doing. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much once again for joining me for this episode of Restaurant at Home. And don't forget, subscribe, click the bell notification so that you'll be aware of every time I upload a new video. And have a wonderful day. And don't forget those avocado recipes. I want to see what you guys do. Thanks. Y'all have a good one. I gotta tell you, something happens every time I wear this shirt or the purple one that I have. It's something amazing. It's the way that people stare me in the face. It's the way that people interact with me on the streets. When I have this shirt on, it gives me another, I can't even explain it. This shirt here, when I wear this, the way that people interact with me, it gives me an amazing feeling. I love it. I suggest that you guys try it. If you want to pick one up for yourself though, the link to my store will be in the description. You can pick this shirt up. You can pick up some hats. You can pick up pan holder, pot holder, you know, the pot holder. Test, test. What? Test. Wow. My notes. See, I take this seriously. I actually took notes and researched and really did some stuff.